the skillet just cooking. Today we are playing around with some honey. We're gonna ferment some garlic and honey. We're gonna do hop infused honey. So let's get going. All right, so don't need too much for this. The most important thing that you need is honey, a whole lot of garlic, and your hops. Today we're doing Cascade hops. Let's get started. Sanitized glass for this. Alright, fill this up. That's good. Alright, so we're going to let that sit for about a month until we start using it. I'll see you then. Alright, so it's been 2 weeks since we started our whole honey project. Over here we got our garlic fermenting in honey as well as our hops that have been marinating in honey. The garlic fermented in honey has been very active. I've actually had to empty out this probably about 3 times now. I'm getting really excited for the final product of it. As you see the shape of the garlic, the color of the garlic, it's all changed since we first put it in there. Can't tell too much of a difference with the hop honey, except for the honey has taken on a darker color. And I'm excited to see what's going to be like once this whole month is up. That being said, I'll see you in 2 more weeks. Alright, hey, welcome back. So it's been a month since we started fermenting these, alright? So we got our honey garlic and we got our honey hops, all right? And this is just a small experiment just to see what would happen. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, that smells nice, sweet, garlicky flavor, all right? And you can see here, the viscosity of it, it's just like water now. It doesn't have any of its natural characteristics of honey anymore. All right, so let's give it a taste. Wow, that is so good. It is super sweet, you know, it's honey, and really garlicky. Now, from my understanding is that this is actually supposed to be really good for you if you're sick or something like that. But I plan on doing it in something like, you know, put on some naan bread or just toast or whatever. has a lot of different applications you can have with this. Anything that involves something sweet or garlicky. That's nice. Now, let's move on to our hop hunting and see what we got. Alright, so completely different reaction from the garlic. So let me see how I can actually get a hold of some honey. There we go. Hold on, we got some. All right, so that right there. Let's see what we got. You know, I was kind of worried at first because some things that have the hops that stay in there for a while, they get this bitter flavor. But there's nothing bitter about this. You just got more floral notes from the hops in the honey itself. So that's really nice as well. It looks like it might be a pain to strain the honey from the hops, but that'd be work for another time. You can obviously use this for something like a glaze on some chicken, or even a marinade as well. Any application that has sugar in it, frankly. So that's interesting. I would definitely do it again. And what I would probably do in the future is try different hops to see what kind of flavor profile you can actually develop from that. All right, so that was a success. Now, if you have any questions or any comments, let us know in the comments below. If you want to check out our other videos, please feel free to. And as always, until next time, adios.